So hello guys, I'm Dheeraj. Let us begin 8.1 Science Curriculum and its Transaction. So, science curriculum refers to the planned set of objectives, content, learning experience and evaluation procedures designed to teach science at school level. So if you at a school level, if you want to teach science, first you have to build a science curriculum. So it has objectives, content, learning experience and evaluation procedures. So in simple language, what is to be taught in science will come under science curriculum. Don't get confused with syllabus. First, curriculum will have what is to be taught in science. So then we have to understand what is the meaning of transaction of curriculum. Curriculum transaction means how the curriculum is implemented in the classroom through suitable methods, activities, TLM and assessment. So what you want to teach will be implemented in the classroom through various methods, through teaching methods, through activities, through teaching learning materials and assessment. So how are you implementing everything in a science classroom will come under transaction of curriculum. So science curriculum and its transaction is this. So in science curriculum, what is to be taught in science will come under science curriculum. How are you teaching it will come under curriculum transaction. So you have to remember, curriculum means planning and transaction means implementation. So how are you planning and how are you implementing will come under science curriculum and its transaction. So when we are planning a good science curriculum, we need to know its features. So first feature has to be learner centered, student centered. It has to be activity based. The curriculum has to be project based, activity based, learning by doing based, concept oriented. It has to be correlated with daily life. It has to be flexible and dynamic. It has to be based on scientific temper. There has to be logic, nothing related to faith and superstition. It has to be latest. It has to be flexible to be taught in any environment. It has to be fixed, the science curriculum. Next, principles of curriculum transaction in science. So effective transaction should promote learning by doing is very important. Encourage inquiry and experimentation among students. Use laboratory work and TLMs. Integrate ICT and real life examples. Encourage student participation. So these are all the repeated keywords you have to remember. So teacher should act as a facilitator. Students have to be active learners. So let us see few methods which are used in curriculum transaction. Because while planning the curriculum, you need to know the methods. So first method is laboratory method, activity based learning, inquiry method, project method, discussion method. So these have to be the main focus, main methods in curriculum transaction while you're planning and teaching. So don't get confused, curriculum and transaction are not same, they both are different concepts. What you teach and how you teach. Then transaction means syllabus framing, not at all. Curriculum transaction is teacher centered, no. Transaction ignores learner needs, no. If learner wants something, the teacher has to change, the transaction process has to change. So it is based on learner experience. Transaction focuses on learner experience. Next, curriculum transaction refers to implementation of the curriculum. So once your curriculum is planned, you implement it in the classroom, that's called curriculum transaction. Activity based learning supports effective curriculum transaction. So activity based is very important. Real time, practical based, learning by doing, activity based, project based is very important. Next, curriculum means what to teach. transaction means how you teach, how to teach. Thank you.